United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea, Article 282, obligations under general, regional or bilateral agreements. If the states parties, which are parties to a dispute concerning the interpretation or application of this convention have agreed, through a general, regional or bilateral agreement or otherwise, that such dispute shall, at the request of any party to the dispute, be submitted to a procedure that entails a binding decision, that procedure shall apply in lieu of the procedures provided for in this part, unless the parties to the dispute otherwise agree.